Too much stomach acid? Question mark. What causes it? Welcome to Gut Feelings, the channel to support you to heal your digestion so you have all the energy you need to bring your gifts into the world. My name is Peggy Schimmer from peggyschimmer.com, and today we're going to look into what causes stomach acid. Do you really have too much stomach acid? And what's the root cause of so many digestive issues that we're dealing with these days, like heartburn, acid reflux, SIBO, indigestion, nutrient deficiency, bloating, gas, cramps after eating or before eating, and the list just goes on and on. So let's jump right into it. Too much acid in your stomach. So before we go into details why this is the case, we're gonna figure out if that's really true. Because you likely heard that you have too much stomach acid because you suffer from symptoms like what we discussed before: heartburn, acid reflux, bloating, cramps, pain in your stomach after eating or before. But these are not very likely not caused because you have too much stomach acid, but because you have not enough stomach acid. So let's make that clear, because you might think, yeah, but there's acid coming up when I'm sleeping or after the meal, so I have too much acid. Yes, you have too much acid, but it's not stomach acid. Most of us actually, if we have symptoms or not, do have not enough stomach acid, the good stomach acid. Now, if you have too much acidity in your stomach, it's very likely not that the stomach acid is too much, but that you have pathogens, but bacteria that producing acid in your body, and these are overgrowing actually the good stomach acid. These are the ones that burn the ulcers into your stomach lining. This is not natural stomach acid. This goes in the same line as your body is never attacking itself. It's highly intelligent, and that's really important to me to get that over to you. It's not your own stomach acid that causes the problems, it's a bacterial overgrowth because you in the first place didn't have enough stomach acid. I recommend you to jump right into the next video, why you have not enough stomach acid, what causes it, where I present you. I see you in the next video. I wish you a lovely day. And if you like to make a sign that you are committed to improve your digestion, feel free to become part of our Gut Feelings community. I heartily welcome you there. Just click the subscribe button, it's this little logo, and we're gonna stay in touch through the videos. See you soon, bye bye.